Hey, this is David. Today we're going to replace the drum belt on an electric dryer. You might need to change out this part if it failed testing or has been damaged. Before we get started, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can see more repair guides to help you do it yourself. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today, we're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, a 1/4-inch nut driver, a number 20 Torx bit, a small flathead screwdriver, and a putty knife. While you're getting those together, remember to keep safety first. Always unplug that power cord before you do any work on your appliances. To remove the drum belt, use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 console screws from the back. Once the screws are removed, lift up on the control panel to uncover the 3/4-inch screws that need to be removed. Once the 3/4-inch screws are removed, slide the top panel forward and up to reveal the top of the drum. Next, you need to unplug your door switch. Using a putty knife, push in on the 2 clips and remove the access panel. Now, remove your dryer vent duct by removing the 3/4-inch screws surrounding the duct. Once the duct is off, remove the 2 springs located on the bottom corners of your dryer. Once the springs are removed, go ahead and remove the 2 1/4-inch screws that are holding the door panel. Now go to the top of the door panel and remove the 2 20-bit Torx screws. Now lift up on the front panel and it should come up. Reach under the drum and release the belt from the idler pulley. Remove the old belt and add the new one. You need to install it without any twists. It should line up on the drum in the same spot as the old one. Now go ahead and reattach the belt to the pulley. Then the front panel with the door switch. Then go to the bottom and connect your door springs. From there, you want to install the blower housing vent, the bottom access panel. Then you want to go back to the top to put the top panel back on and then secure the console. And don't forget to plug your dryer back in. You made it. Great job, and thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. And if you haven't gotten a replacement drum belt yet, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order them. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. Don't forget to plug your dryer back in or turn that breaker back on. And while you're at it, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you next time.